Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing some Jack Mackerl patties. Stick around. Alright, now I got a can of these mackerels. I'm not de-skinning. I'm not taking the bones out because, you know, they crumble up. They've been well cooked. It's not like you're gonna get a bone caught in your throat or anything like that. I've been seeing videos here lately, and I'm like, that is not the way I remember having them when I was a kid. I got some onions and some bell peppers sauteing over here in the pan. When my mom, sisters cooked this when I was a kid, they just chopped the onions up and put it in there. I ate it. It wasn't bad, but I'm gonna saute them just a little bit, get them a little softened up. And I got, that's about about a quarter of a cup of flour there. And I'm gonna take my veggies that I got going here on the side, turn that off for the moment. Oil and all, I'm going in. Not gonna hurt a thing. A little more flavor there. Alrighty. I'm gonna give this a good mix. Mix it up right nice and good there. You could add an egg in here if you like, or go without it. So as you see, that's good enough to make a patty with as is. But I'm gonna add an egg because I can, and they mine. And I'm gonna add a little Parmesan cheese to this instead of adding salt, because a lot of people would add salt to this as well. And a bit of pepper. We're gonna get in with our hands and give this a good mix. I'm gonna add just a little bit more flour to this. There we go. Excuse me. Pepper got the best of me there. Alrighty. So we're gonna let this set for a second while I get my skillet ready, and we'll move on to the next step. Alright, we're not gonna make too big of patties. Try to keep them reasonable. When I was a kid, we'd have these for breakfast or lunch. I think they go for dinner. You know, have with a little rice on the side. You know, macaroni and cheese. Just another protein. I mean, they're pretty much already cooked. So basically, all we got to do is kind of just let these crust up on the outside, come to temperature on the inside, and you'll be good to go. All right, got a nice crispy crust on there, just like I like it. We let the other side go. I got this on about a medium heat. Let those went for about 4 minutes. Because I want to get that nice crusty on the outside. Bring back when I take them out. Alrighty. Looking great on there. On both sides. I got one more that I need to do. I'll bring you back for a taste test when we got that done. Alright. Got me a little rice. Some egg on the side. You know, when I was a kid, you know, we'd have biscuit, maybe some syrup with this. Sweet rice, savory rice, it's all good. Delicious breakfast. Get some of that yolk going there. Beautiful. Hey, if you like this one, give me a thumbs up. Tell a friend about me. Subscribe if you haven't. Push that bell on the side so you can catch every video that I put them out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.